Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Calvinise Mason. I'm a professional stylist here in Atlanta, Georgia. I work at Privé Salon located in Midtown Atlanta. I enjoy doing editorial work and working with models such as Elle, who you just seen before me. You can check out some of my work on Model Mayhem at Calvinise Mason. For bookings, you can email me at calvinisemason@gmail.com. Also, you can look at me on Facebook and Twitter. Peace.
I'm not leaving, no, I'm never leaving. Say hello to forever, baby. No, but you ain't your existence lately, like all the time.
Hey everybody, it's Elle. We're here at my shoot. I actually busted my lip. You'll probably will see some footage, and I chipped my tooth on this shoot. So it shows how much I'm a trooper because I finished shooting, and I can't wait to show everybody the pictures, and I hope they came out great. Also, y'all can find me on Twitter, Facebook, and Model Mayhem. All of that is, /LLens. My Facebook is LLens2. So, yeah.
I just need you in my space. Everything I need and more. What else more can I ask for? If I can reach inside the sky, I wish I'd be touching you. And in case you didn't know, you can say hello. Say hello to forever, baby. But you ain't your existence lately.
Hey everybody, my name is Desmond Carter. We're coming to you from Old Mill Park in Roswell. We just rocked out another shoot with the wonderful model Elle and great hairstylist Calvinise Mason. I styled the shoot today along with help from another stylist named Albert. You can find me on Twitter, __Desmond, and you can also check out my post on compulsivestyle.com. See you guys later.
From the start, now I see your heart.